Hey, welcome to Paps. I'm the one that's going to be doing the talking today, for reasons we will not disclose. Anyway, back to this 95 Ford E150, how to read your trouble codes. It's a 351 engine. Here's where you had to hook up the codes. Take a pin, you hook it up to that one there, and to the single one here. And then you go inside, you turn the key, and you watch how many times the check engine light blinks. And here we go. 1, 1. That's 3 ones. 1, 1, 1. That shows you that it's 111. And we go into our book that we have here. And for trying to get a clear image here. Yeah, 111 here says pass. If you go over to here to 11, also says pass. So there's no codes wrong with this Ford E150. So that's it for now. Stay tuned for more videos from Pops. Have a good day, y'all.